Jim Isaacs here, principal at Central Hardin High School. Excited to be here for our second open house of the new year. This is the one we do for upperclassmen, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders. Always like the way we keep that separate, give freshman parents the opportunity to have a little more individualized care. Had a great day today. We're able to actually open up the bottom entrance down there into the new entrance into the big gym. So parents and families are getting to see a little bit of the progress been made. So I think that's good for morale. Overall, evening seems to have gone really well, and we're glad everybody's here and hoping this is the start of a really great school year.
Hello, my name is Miss Wilson. I am one of the sponsors of the Y Club. Y Club stands for YMCA Youth Association, and it's more like a civic engagement. We have 2 events that we do every single year. The first is KYA, Kentucky Youth Association. What KYA is that you go and you can sponsor a bill. You could be a legislator, you could be the governor, you can apply for those roles, and hopefully what they do is they go through the whole bill process and you try to get your bill passed by the committee. The second event that we do is CUNA, which is like a world government. We will pick a country to represent and we try to get a resolution passed for that specific country. KYA and CUNA are great events, and generally we have about 40 students go to each event. I will encourage you to join Y Club. It is lots of fun. You make lots of memories. Those trips are about 2.5 days each, and then we also do volunteer services as well.
Hi, I'm Kayla Ernst, and I am one of the beta sponsors this year. As a beta sponsor, my job, or at least my goal, is to facilitate an environment in which my beta students can get involved in their communities and, collect service hours, really reach out and try to help other people, while at the same time understanding that academics are really important, and trying to take some of the skills and assets and talents that they have and take those to the state level and the national level where they can compete with students from other schools and really get that, that good feeling of knowing that what they're doing matters and what they're doing is seen by other people and valued by other people. I think so.
Okay. Say something like, we're looking forward to a great school.
Myself and the other beta sponsors are really looking forward to a good school year with our students.
Hi, I'm Sarah Dakin at Central Hardin High School. I'm the Drama Club sponsor and a special education teacher. I'm really excited about Drama Club this year. We're going to do a play in the fall called Decision Height, about the civilian women pilots in World War II. And then we're going to do the SpongeBob musical in March. So we're very excited about both of those projects. We hope to see a lot of people come out.
Hello, I'm Sergeant First Class Gregory Gavin. I am the assistant instructor of the JROTC program. The JROTC program consists of many different levels of training. We have an academic portion, we have a Raider team, a drill and ceremony, and we're looking to incorporate a few new items for the students this year as far as marksmanship, archery, drones, and things of that nature for those that are interested in those types of events.
Hello, I'm Colonel Mike Anders. I'm the Senior Army Instructor here at Central Hardin High School. The JROTC program is designed to help students become better citizens. And part of that is we have a physical education portion of the program as well as an academic, and we have several extracurricular activities such as the Raiders, which is an adventure type team that competes with obstacle courses. We also have a drill team that competes in the spring. Both of those programs have done extremely well at the national level over the last several years. We also look to grow the program with some more activities such as archery and drones and potentially even some robotics sometime in the coming years. So Sergeant Gavin and I are looking forward to this year with the new students and seeing where this program can go. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Trevor Irvin. I'm the band director at Central Hardin High School. Really excited about this school year. We just had a great open house. We had so many families and students coming around to check things out here in the band room and talk to us about how excited they are for an awesome school year. The marching band's already been started with band camp the last 3 weeks, and they're off to a great start. Really looking forward to another great school year here in Hardin County Schools and at Central Hardin. Go Bruins!